Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to begin with Economics, Chapter 1 National Income. So this is the first part of this lesson. In this video we are going to cover with circular flow of income. As you all know, circular flow of income is an important thing. You all might know that economy is a system of production, exchange and consumption, which means manufacturing goods, exchange through money and consuming them. While carrying this process, there is an involvement of purchasing and selling of goods and services, and the income generated through this process is moved in a circular manner, which means which has no end or no beginning. It is a continuous process. So we can define circular flow of income as it is the flow of income or goods and services across the sectors of economy in a circular manner is known as circular flow of income, which generally means that flow of goods and services through the sectors of economy in a circular manner, means without any end or without any beginning. Now we will see the phases of circular flow of income. We have three phases. First is production phase. It all manufacturing phase. In this phase involves in production or manufacturing of goods and services. Second phase is distribution phase or income phase. It generally involves in the gathering of all the incomes what a firm earns. These are rent, wages, interest and profit. And the third phase involves payments of all the expenditures. It includes consumption expenditure plus income expenditure. Consumption expenditure means the expenditure which a firm or a household pays for consumption, and investment means capital expenditure. Guys, this is an important question. It might ask for 6 marks also. You have to draw this flow chart and explain each and every phase in short way or accordance with your weightage of the question. Now, before studying model of two-sector economy, let's see the definitions of real flow and money flow. Real flow means the flow of goods and services across the sectors of economy. It doesn't involve any kind of money in it. And second is money flow. It is the flow of income through the sectors of economy, and it doesn't involve any kind of goods and services in it. To show the income and expenditure, the economy is divided into two sectors, household sector and firm sector. And note, in this year you are going to study only the two-sector economic model. Three-sector and four-sector economic model is not there for 12th standard. So let's see the two-sector economic model of circular flow of income. First we will see of real flow. Real flow. So it is a diagram shown in the slide which clearly explains you that household sector gives the firm factor services, means to work in firms. As you know, households are employees before joining the job. They work as an employee or worker in the firm, and as a result the firm gives households in common goods and services. And in money flow, households gives the firm factor payments for goods and services for which they had consumed. Actually, firms gives us goods and services, and in return households gives them payments for goods and services. And households gives the firm factor services, and in return in money flow the firm gives the households factor payments or salaries or wages for the employees or workers working in them. Once you understand those diagrams of flowcharts, you will understand the sector model. It isn't most important. So now we're going to study leakages and injections. Injections are the additions made in the economy or which will increase the production process are known as injections, such as investments, exports, and government expenditures. These are basically the outsources. And leakages are the withdrawals from the circular flow of income and reduction of its size and production process, like imports, savings, and taxes. Next part of this video will be posted tomorrow. Thank you.